Update 1 on Tropical Storm Meranti, currently in the West Pacific at 16.3 degrees north, 135.7 degrees east. It is moving west-northwest at 16 miles per hour. It is currently 70 miles per hour in 78 millibars. It looks like in the next couple of days it will be threatening from a wide stretch of land between the Philippines, Luzon rather, Taiwan, and Japanese home islands. It could strengthen to a major strike typhoon in the Westpac in the coming days. So let's take a look at what the conditions are for the system itself. The SSTs right now, where the system is, located approximately where the icon is on screen. SSTs are 29-30 degrees Celsius in its area, so in a long stretch of 30 all the way to where it's going. So it has plenty of warm water to strengthen. And all the way up from Taiwan to Japan, it looks like SSTs are pretty favorable for this system. But wind shear at the moment is very favorable for this system. Only 10 knots of shear where it is right now. Stronger shear to the north and west of it. And another light patch off the coast of Taiwan here. So this system could get away with shear concern-wise. However, it just really depends on what the shear wants to do. Current floater imagery in the Westpac. Here's some IR imagery of Meranti right now. It looks like it is developing well, rather. It looks like it does earn the 70 mile per hour rating the JTWC has given it. Cloud tops are hanging up around negative 80 degrees Celsius. Take a look at water vapor. Water vapor itself seems to be very favorable. It has plenty of moist air to work with, and it has no dry air surrounding it at all. Maybe some neutral air, but that's about it. Other than that, it looks like, and here's some visible imagery rather. Visible imagery is kind of, we'll go back to that later. It looks like the IR, again, another look at the IR. Looks like it is trying to pop some cloud tops maybe into the negative 90s. We're not sure. I mean, the scale here, I should probably turn that on. But regardless, the visible imagery in the Westpac is it looks pretty defined. It looks like it might be trying to maybe develop an eye, but it's really too hard to call at this point, too hard to really determine, rather, how it's going to develop into a system at this point. However, Meranti isn't alone here in the Westpac. We have a boatload of invests, 99W, 92W, 90W, 91W, in non-sequential order. So it looks like the Westpac is getting active for a change. Take a little scroll over to the Eastpac where you can see 92E developing. The NHC currently has it at 100-100, so this could be the next TD in the Eastpac. The Atlantic, we have 3 invests, 92L, which frankly it looks like a swirl of just clouds at this point. Nothing really to it. 93L looks very disheveled, and 94L. Looks like that might be our possible tropical depression 10E in the 10L rather in the Atlantic. So let's go through the rundown. For our Force 13 outlets, if you want to reach us, here's the website itself, force13.com. We also have our forum at force13.com/forum. There's the YouTube channel itself at youtube.com/force13. There's also Force 13's Facebook. There's also a Twitter at Force 13, and for Skype, add 413 for a tropical weather chat. And that's all for now.